ਲੱਗੇ ਆ ਹੁਣ?
cake.
Okay. Help कौन कर रहा है?
My sister.
Okay. चलो करो मेक फेकी करना.
Wait.
For my sister.
Get the recipe out. Do you guys know what a recipe is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's for this. That is how to make the cake things. How to make food. I mean.
It's. Do you guys know what instructions are? I hope you know what instructions
I
are.
know what is instructions.
Tell me.
Instructions mean that you know what to do if you're building something and need a paper.
So it tells you step by step what you need to do, right? A recipe is a similar thing. What all the recipe does is it tells you how you cook something.
But
Yeah?
we don't have a recipe.
But we do have a recipe. I have a recipe online.
It don't rise up.
Oh, that's okay.
No.
Det kan inte easy. Yeah.
Name.
Right. So get some butter first. I'm gonna cut butter for you because this is still quite really hard.
मैं तो कहना पड़ा भी है ना.
Why? Maybe are we going to choose 2 pieces of butter? No, 3 I think. Because these are little butters.
Yes. So now, do you guys think that you can mix the butter?
Yeah. Mush.
We have to mash it. So now because it's really big, I'm gonna cut it into smaller sizes so we can cut it. Yeah.
I want this. Me too. Maybe you can do one side here and I do the other one here.
Do you guys know what we're going to add next?
Flour.
No, that's sugar.
Oh.
This is?
Yeah, self-raising.
Check them out.